Welcome to our tutorial series where today we're going to learn how to paint a rainbow unicorn. Using the rainbow split cake from the home palette and a 3/4 inch flat brush, that's our wide flat brush, we're going to start with the rainbow component. Using one nice confident stroke, we're going to do our rainbow in the center of the forehead. We are then going to leave a small gap on either side of the rainbow. This gap is for our unicorn ears. And then we're just going to paint some more rainbow hair, circling around the eye and onto the upper cheek. You want to repeat this process on the other side. It's okay if it's not completely symmetrical. The side rainbows is meant to be the unicorn hair, and the rainbow on the forehead is just a nice rainbow. The gaps in the middle are going to be for our unicorn ears, which will be step 2. To paint the unicorn ears, we're going to use white paint and a filbert brush. The filbert brush has the round edging. When painting your unicorn ears, we're going to think of painting the shape of a triangle. So it comes in nice and narrow, the pointed edge towards the middle of the eyebrows, keeping the top part of the ears wide with curved edging. We're then going to repeat this process on the other side. Depending on your age and your ability, your unicorn ears can really be any shape as long as they match on either side. A face painting tip, you'll notice in the video the non-face painting hand is resting on top of the child's head. This is to give you extra support and control while face painting. To make our ears look more realistic, we're now going to add a small amount of pink paint to the inside of each ear. Using the filbert brush again, we can just aim for a small circular shape or small triangular shape. Next, you're going to find the unicorn stencil from the home palette, and we're going to use a little bit of white paint on a sponge to gently dab on the shape of the unicorn horn in the center of the rainbow. A top face painting tip when stenciling, you want your paint to be on the drier side. This will avoid smudging. Using our petal brush, we are now going to add a flower to the center of the eyebrows and some additional flower petals. To get the gradient effect of white and pink, you first need to load your petal brush in white paint. You then add a little bit of pink paint to the very tip of the brush only. To create the flower in the middle, we are going to do 5 petals, and we're going to press each petal on. When using a petal brush, it is a pressing action. You can see in the video we are just pressing the brush onto the skin. You can add your flower petals wherever you wish. I always find a couple of petals on either side of the eyes is a nice finishing touch. For the more advanced painter, if you want to add extra elements such as dots, you can. We are using a round brush and white paint to put a few dots down the bridge of the nose and just under the eyes. Adding dots to your design always adds an extra element of dimension and helps to create some flow. Layering face paints is definitely more of an advanced skill, so only do what you feel you are capable of doing. Depending on the child's age, you can also paint some lips to your unicorn design. I'm using the filbert brush and pearl rose to gently add some colour to the lips. Using the same pearl rose, which has a lovely shimmering effect, and a petal sponge, I'm just going to gently dab on some colour to the eyelids. For younger children, depending on age and tolerance, it might be a good idea to leave the eyelids and the lips off. To apply the paint to the eyelids, we're going to use a petal sponge. To load your petal sponge, you're going to spritz it with some water, and then using a sweeping or swiping action, we're going to pick up the paint from the palette onto the sponge. You can see I'm very gently dabbing the paint onto the eyelids. The creativity is endless, and if you want to keep going, grab your star stencil, a clean sponge and some white paint, and we can dab on some extra stars over the rainbow to bring a little bit of extra magic. And there you have our finished rainbow unicorn.